Pollen pea stealing correction is over. Okay. Now, next topic. How we observe the pollen tube. एक पूरी दे लाइन of questions है. You can easily study the pollen germination. So how we study the germination of pollen grain by dusting some of the pollen from the flowers, such as pea, chickpea, कैलोट, प्रोटोलेरिया. अच्छा, प्रोटोलेरिया क्या है? प्रोटोलेरिया, सस्पेनिया, ट्राइफोलियम. कया डाउट हुए तो प्रोटोलेरिया, सस्पेनिया, ट्राइफोलियम સાંભળ્યું છે બે વાર? એ સાંભળ્યું છે? Are fodder plants belonging to Fabaceae family. Trifolium, त्रिपत्ती, त्रिपत्ती ने Protoleria, Suspenia, Trifolium are fodder plants belonging to Fabaceae family. Balsam, Vinca on the glass slide containing the drop of this sugar solution about 10%. 10% means 100 ml. We add 10 gram sugar. 100 ml in distilled water. Generally, solutions are made up from distilled water because distilled water is the purest water. So, in 100 ml of pure water, we add 10 gram of sugar. That is 10% of sugar solution. Okay, so 10% is important. And we kept it for 15 to 30 minutes and observe under the microscope in low power. Clear? So how we observe the pollen tube under the microscope might be frequently asked question, might be, not that much important, but you remember that we use that 10% of sugar solution for kept it for 15 to 30 minutes. Low power ma easily observe reduction. Now 2 mark question. Artificial hybridization. To obtain such type of the desired characteristic, okay, artificial hybridization can be performed. So here 2 methods are there. 2 mark question, very short, fine. Which 2 methods? Emasculation. Yes. do you mean by emasculation? Yes, by using of good 2 forceps in bud form of the flower removal of anther is known as emasculation. So emasculation is that we remove the anther from the flower. So bisexual flower become unisexual but spatially pistillate flower, right? So emasculation can be performed in bisexual flower only. Bagging. Bagging can be performed on, yes, can be used for female flower only. So artificial hybridization means you have to write one thing here, that to obtain the desired characters, okay, in the plant we use desired characteristic containing stigma as well as pollen grain. So to obtain the desired character we use that artificial hybridization techniques. In bisexual flower, first of all, we perform the emasculation. Okay? First of all, we perform the emasculation by using of the 2 forceps. We remove the anther, and then bagging can be performed. Allow the flower to grow, or allow the stigma to become mature. Means allow the stigma to become receptive. Then collect the desired characteristic containing pollen grains from the selected plant. Remove the bagging, spray the pollen grains over it, and then again bagging can be performed. So after that we perform the bagging by, because post-pollinating events can be performed perfectly, and wait for fruit formation and seed formation. But if the flower is unisexual, then use the bagging method only on the female flower only. Okay? If unisexual flower is there, then over the female flower, use that bagging method. Don't use emasculation method. In the male flower sterile. બરાબર? ઓકે, આટલું લખવાનું છે બસ. એમાં રીડ કરો છો, જાતે રીડ કરી લો, વાંચી લો શું લખ્યું છે. અત્યારે કંઈક ડાઉટ હોય તો પૂછી લો. बटर पेपर MCQ. We have already discussed the double fertilization before. આપણે જે ટોપિક સ્કીપ કર્યા હતા, now these are completed. Post fertilizing events in that endosperm formation, embryo development, fruit, seed formation, etc. are combined known as post-pollinating events. હવે આમાં actually post-pollinating events આખું ના પૂછાય, બરાબર? હા, post-fertilizing events પૂછાય. પડે ખબર? Post-fertilizing events, zygote and embryogenesis of the first chapter. એ લખવાનું, એ ફોર્મેટમાં આવે. તો એ પોસ્ટ ફર્ટિલાઇઝેશન ઇવેન્ટ્સ જ છે, પોસ્ટ ફર્ટિલાઇઝિંગ ઇવેન્ટ્સ જ છે. જોઈ લેજો ત્યાં હેડિંગ. પણ અહીંયા સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરમાં કન્ફ્યુઝ ન થતા, ઘણા બધા પોસ્ટ ફર્ટિલાઇઝિંગ ઇવેન્ટ સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરનું કન્સિડર કરે. લખવા માટે એન્ડોસ્પર્મ, એમ્બ્રિયો, સીડ, ફ્રૂટ, બધું ઘણા કેટલું લાંબુ છે, એટલે તમને આઈડિયા આવે. 4 pages નો આન્સર થાય ડેટ 2 માં.
સર તો એક્ઝામમાં પોસ્ટ ફર્ટિલાઇઝેશન પૂછે તો આ લખો ક્યાં
ફર્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર આની અંદરથી સ્પેસિફિક જ આવશે કે explain endosperm formation, explain embryo development, explain seed, explain fruit. હવે આપણે છે ને actually endosperm, embryo, seed, fruit, apomixis and polyembryony, these many topics are remaining. Endosperm, three-mark question. હવે આની અંદર પ્રોબ્લેમ એ છે કે કોઈ ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો નથી કરવાનો, અને જે તમને બધા ડાયાગ્રામ્સ આપ્યા છે એ એમ્બ્રિયો ડેવલપમેન્ટ, એટલે તમે એને એન્ડોસ્પર્મ ડાયાગ્રામ્સ કન્સિડર ન કરતા. After ending of the double fertilization, all the diagrams are of the embryo development. And on the next page, 2 green color diagrams are also diploid and monocot embryo. ये हम પછી discuss કરશું, બરાબર? Now see, endosperm, pen or PEMC undergoes karyokinesis continuously. Without followed by PEM or PEMC undergoes, see, you know that during fission first karyokinesis occurs and then followed by cytokinesis. Terminology what use करूँ जो वांधो नहीं ने. Karyokinesis means nuclear division and cytokinesis means cytoplasm division. But here condition is there. Nuclear division is not followed by cytokinesis. That's why due to continuous karyokinesis, multiple nucleated stage situation is created syncytia. And here in the endosperm, for example, this is the endosperm, fine, periphery side, nuclei are present. Now the last statement. After formation of the multiple nucleus here at the periphery side, so now according to the number of nuclei So according to the number of the nucleus, cytokinesis occurs in the centripetal manner. Centripetal means periphery to center, and centrifugal means center to periphery, away from center. And multiple endosperms are formed which nourish the developing embryo. પછી endosperm નું બાકી છે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરશું. બરાબર.